Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to change the default downloads location in Arc browser on Windows 11 PC. By default, when you download a file from the internet, it goes to Downloads folder under C drive on your Windows 11 PC. In case you want to change the location of downloaded file, first open Arc browser and then click on this one Arc icon that represents with that says settings. Click on this one. After that, select here settings. Under this one settings, under profile section, click on this one default option. Here you will find save downloads to under related settings section. Click on this one downloads drop down menu. Select here other option. Now select a location where you want to save the downloaded file. Select a location from the left navigation pane. After that, click on this one select folder. Now you can close this one settings window. From now onwards, when you will download any file using Arc browser on your Windows 11 PC, it will be automatically downloaded in your specified folder. That's all about this video. Bye.